Myths or truths of PLM.
PLM is only for product design and manufacturing. Is really that the case?
Okay, this one is an easy one. That's definitely not true, right?
Also a myth, I would say.
No, that's also not true.
Not only.
So PLM, of course, supports product design and manufacturing, but of course, PLM supports also process industries, so also specification management, recipe or formulation development, and of course also compliance checks, which result out of this. So there's a much larger area of topics which PLM supports.
A big part of the value of the implementation of PLM comes from the improvement of business processes in product design and manufacturing, right? But it's much broader than that, right? So we have to think about this, every area of an organization that is involved with products, like the procurement, like marketing, like sales even, right? They can benefit from PLM, right? Access to data, right? The PLM data, that's definitely very, very important. But yes, traditionally, PLM is seen as an engineering, product design, product development tool, working tightly integrated with manufacturing. But as I said, it's much broader than that.
So PLM is the most important areas PLM is supporting is for sure the design phase and the manufacturing phase, but PLM means more than that. It's starting with design and then planning, manufacturing, but even supporting all the logistics and service stuff. So PLM is more, but design and manufacturing is the most important stuff for it.
Because it's only part of the truth, right?
That's right.
And because product lifecycle management is considering from the early first idea till actually the end of a life cycle of a product itself. So and it's not only about design and manufacturing. So it's part of it, right? And it's a mission just to meet the needs of business processes in terms of a product lifecycle best. That's what we also consider here as a product lifecycle management.
PLM is really for the whole organization to properly manage the whole product lifecycle.